Ever wonder why investors keep putting their money in New York City real estate? Even if there are other markets that are far better for cash flow? Because in New York City, it's not just about the ROI. It's about long-term growth, prestige, and protection. And if you think they're overpaying, you might be underestimating the real value. In today's video, we're going to be going over why investors frequently choose New York City as a place to invest in, the importance of finding the right property and the factors that surround it, and we're going to go over some of the tax advantages that investors frequently take advantage of when buying real estate in New York City. From a pure numbers perspective, New York City isn't where you go for the highest cash flow. With cap rates hovering around 2 to 3%, many investors could see better short-term returns in smaller emerging markets. But that's not what draws people to the Big Apple. Investing in New York City real estate is a long-term play. It's a statement of success. People from all over the world are drawn to New York City, not just for the returns, but for the prestige of owning a piece of one of the most iconic cities on the planet. Owning property here isn't just an investment, it's an achievement. Let's face it, no one's bragging about owning a rental property in Idaho at a dinner party. Investors pay a premium, not for the asset, but for what comes with it. High quality properties, reliable tenants, and the confidence that demand in this city rarely fades. The real bet is the appreciation. Because if history has shown us anything, it's that New York real estate holds its value. And when the market surges, it starts right here. It's like a Broadway show. Some markets might have a few good performances, but New York City is a headliner that always sells out. In a market like New York City, success isn't just about buying, it's about buying right. The right unit in the right building, the right neighborhood at the right time. So when you make smart decisions, equity can grow fast, turning a solid investment into a great one. But I've seen too many buyers jump in without a strategy, whether it's overpaying, ignoring market trends, or choosing the wrong property. The result? I've seen homes sitting on the market for 10 to 15 years later, selling for less than what they paid for it. In a city as competitive as New York, knowledge is power, and making the right moves from the start is everything. Investing in New York City real estate also offers significant tax advantages. You can deduct expenses from your taxes like mortgage interest, property management costs, and the necessary improvements. The SALT deduction also allows you to deduct up to $10,000 in state and local taxes, including your property taxes, from your federal tax bill. Plus, initiatives like the New York State Solar Tax Credit reward green investments with up to $5,000 back. This, coupled with New York City's relatively low property taxes, these incentives make real estate a smart, tax-efficient long-term investment. You are absolutely going to love this next video because you're going to get a lot of value out of it. It's going to help you make sense of the New York City real estate market.